I am David Lowe. Welcome to today's Seek Excellence. Great to be with you. We're going to talk today about some principles that drive excellence into our life. And what I really want to talk about today is a proactive versus a reactive lifestyle. Now, this is a huge topic, and we're only going to spend a couple minutes today talking about it. And these Seek Excellence are meant to kind of be that casual conversation like the ones I have every day with people in the dealerships that I serve that are seeking to become better today than they were yesterday. Are you living proactively or reactively? Okay, let me give you one surefire way to know it. If you're stopping at Speedway to get your energy drink every morning, you're living reactively. What do I mean? If you're stopping at a high-priced convenience store at the last second every day to get if you're running out and getting lunch every day, you may be living what? A reactive lifestyle. I ask people all the time, can you buy these in bulk at Target or Walmart or Sam's Club or whatever it is? Can't you buy this stuff a lot less expensive in bulk and bring one every day versus buying them one at a time? The answer is always yes. So what's keeping you from doing it? You're too busy on the hamster treadmill to stop and prepare for the week. The same with lunch. We talk about how powerful food is in our lives. What goes into us gives us that energy to be a benefit to others today. And so many get hungry, reactively go out to fast food and feed themselves with that crap that steals energy from their life instead of add energy, which food is designed to. It's supposed to add energy and vitality to your life, right? So are you living proactively or are you living reactively? One simple test really is your daily habits of your food and drink. Does that make sense? Now, what's the difference? Living proactively, living reactively. Well, proactively lets you live with abundance and reach your full God-given potential. Reactively, you're just trying to keep your head above water. Now, what do you want to be? Proactive, moving up the ladder, or reactive, just trying to keep your head above water? Now, I gave you a simple comparison, but if you would stop this video and think about your week for a minute and just think about, are you living proactively or reactive? One thing, I pack my gym bag at night, so in the morning I don't have to worry about it. Very proactive. That way in the morning, if there's any hiccups, I'm not late to the gym, I'm not late to the work because I proactively prepared. Would your life be better? You're going to do it anyway. The question is just, when do you do it? You're going to get that energy drink anyway. When do you do it? You're going to get lunch anyway. When do you do it? When you're going to pack the gym bag anyway. When do you do it? And does it matter? I believe it really matters. In fact, as I study the best of the best and the most effective and most successful people, I find out that they take control of their time. Their time doesn't control them. They live proactive. In fact, it's one of the 7 habits of highly effective people, and it's been around for thousands of years. Stephen Covey didn't invent it. It's been around, and those people that want to be better have been seeking to live their best life and be their best self and be a benefit to others, and every day be better than they were yesterday, have been seeking to add proactivity to your life. So start small. Start with your energy drink. Start with your lunch. Start small. Start putting proactivity in your life and find out for yourself that proactive lifestyles will help you live with joy and peace and satisfaction. I'm David Lowe, automotive sales coach. Seek excellence and have an awesome week.